For today's video, we will discuss about solutions of linear inequalities in two variables. For example, we are given x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 4. When I say solutions, these are the points na kung saan part po nung linear inequality. So, mamaya, i-discuss natin kung dun sa graph kung paano nalalaman naman kung solution or hindi. So, for example, you are given 0, 4. This is an ordered pair. So, meron kang value for x, meron ka ring value for y. So, what you're going to do to determine if it is a solution or not, you have to substitute the values of x and y to the given linear inequality. So, here, our x is 0. So, this will be 0. Plus, we have 2 there, na may katabing y. Pag may katabing y, ibig sabihin, imumultiply natin yung ipapalit natin kay y doon sa 2. Okay? Our y is 4. So, let's have this. Then, copy greater than or equal to 4. Now, let us solve first. Multiply muna bago tayo mag-add. Okay? So, copy 0 plus, then 2 times 4 is 8. Greater than or equal to 4. 0 plus 8 is 8. Greater than or equal to 4. So, lahat lang ng part na pwede mong isolve, yun lang yung isosolve natin. And then, yung part naman na hindi naman solvable, just copy. Now, you have to identify dito sa part na to kung yan ba ay true or false. Is 8 greater than or equal to 4? Ang sa Tagalog, si 8 ba ay mas malaki o kasing tulad ni 4? The answer is yes, or it is true. The statement is true. So, when the statement is true, therefore, 0, 4 is a solution. Okay, now, let us have another ordered pair. So, ibig sabihin yan, pag ginraph po natin yung linear inequality na x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 4, yung point na 0, 4 doon sa ating graph ay part nung graph nito. Ibig sabihin, part siya nung shaded part or nung mismong line kasi may bar tayo dito. Okay, let's have another ordered pair. To determine if it is a solution or not. So again, nasabi natin na solution po siya dahil yung final statement natin ay true. Now, let us have another ordered pair. Let's say si origin, 0, 0. So, ito po yung x, ito yung y. So, yung x and y, papalitan lang natin ng 0. So, our x is 0 plus 2 multiplied by 0 kasi our y is 0 greater than or equal to 4. Multiply this part. So, copy this. 0 plus 2 times 0 is 0. Greater than or equal to 4. 0 plus 0 is 0. Greater than or equal to 4. Now, determine if the final statement is true or false. 0 is greater than or equal to 4. In Tagalog, si 0 daw ba ay mas malaki o kasing tulad ni 4? This is false. Mas malaki kasi dapat si 4, di ba? So, kapag false yan, si 0, 0 is not a solution. Ibig sabihin, yung graph natin, hindi part si origin. Okay? So, ganito kapag identifying if the ordered pair is a solution ng linear inequality. So, what if system naman yung meron tayo? So, solutions of a system. So, kung dadagdagan natin yan, solutions of a system of linear inequalities in two variables. So, for example, so just like in linear equations, ito naman, pag sinabing system of linear inequalities, dalawa naman, or two or more yung inequalities na ibibigay sa'yo. So, stick tayo kay x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 4. Tapos, dadagdagan na natin ng isa pa. 2x plus y is less than or equal to 6. So, dalawa na siya, kaya system na yung tawag sa kanya. So, ganun lang ulit. Magbibigay tayo ng ordered pair. So, let's say 0, 4. So, start tayo kay 0, 4. So, tingnan natin kung si ordered pair na 0, 4 ay solution nung system. Pag sinabing solution siya ng system, dapat yung final answer natin parehong true on both inequalities. Hindi pwedeng sa isa lang. Pag lumabas na true sa kanya, dapat sa kanya true din yung statement. Okay? So, 0 si x, 4 si y. So, yun na ipapalit natin dito. So, that will be 0 plus 2 times 4, kasi our y is 4, greater than or equal to 4. 0 plus 2 times 4 is 8, greater than or equal to 4. 0 plus 8 is 8, greater than or equal to 4. So, dito, 8 is greater than or equal to 4. This is true. So, pag dito pa lang, sa unang inequality, true na yung lumabas, proceed ka ngayon sa susunod. Pero, kung umpisa pa lang ay false na, ibig sabihin, sa ordered pair, hindi agad solution. Huwag mo na itry doon sa pangalawa. Okay, mapapagod ka lang. Okay, so kung since lumabas na true sa unang inequality, tingnan natin kung ganun din sa kanya. So, same lang na ordered pair yung gagamitin natin. Kasi siya yung chine-check natin kung solution ba siya ng system or hindi. So, here our x is 0, our y is 4. So, 2x, ibig sabihin, 2 times 0, kasi yung x natin ay 0, plus our y is 4, less than or equal to 6. Okay, next, 2 times 0 is 0, plus 4, less than or equal to 6. 0 plus 4 is 4. Then, check mo na kung ito ay true or false. 4 is less than or equal to 6 in Tagalog. Si 4 ba ay mas mababa o katumbas ni 6? Yes, this is true. So, if both statements are true, ibig sabihin, si 0, 4, so yung conclusion natin, therefore, 0, 4, yung ordered pair na 0, 4 is a solution. Solution po siya ng system. So, kapag may isa dyan na false, ibig sabihin, hindi po siya solution. Lalong-lalo na kung dalawa yan ay false. So, again, kailan lang siya malalaman kung solution? Kapag true yung statement on both inequalities. Okay? So, thank you for watching. Hope you understood our lesson for today.